railroad tracks are right about that tree line. They cross over the west branch of the Susquehanna. The Bald Eagle Valley Rail Trail goes across the bridge now since they've fixed it up to be safe. There it is. Crosses over the old Pensy, which is now NS Buffalo line, right up in there by the trees. Right back here. And then it comes through what would be the landfill now. We'll cross over it between this bridge, which we cross the Buffalo line.